Hello boys and girls. This strategy is on difference unchanged, taken from heuristic worksheet for ratio. Question number 2. Let us start by reading this question. Amy had a total of 204 red and blue beads. 204. Please take note of this number. This is the exact number of the red and blue beads that we have here. So when we deal with ratio, usually we are dealing with units. So those numbers are not the exact number that we are looking at. But for this question, they have provided you with the exact number, which is 204 for red and blue bits. Once we are able to do it, we will be able to use the ratio, which is the units, to find the exact number of red beads and the exact number of blue beads. So let's read on. In the ratio of 9:8. So this 9 stands for 9 units of red, and this 8 stands for 8 units of blue. Well, after she gave away an equal number of each type of bead, equal number. Now children, if you take a look at this particular phrase, you will realize that it gives us the clue that we can use difference unchanged to solve the question. Why? Because an equal number of each type of bead they were actually given away. The difference for before and the difference for after, it should be the same because an equal number were given away. So after that, the number of red and blue beads left was in the ratio of 9:5. So this 9 stands for 9 units of red, and this 5 stands for 5 units of blue. Okay, how many beads did she give away altogether? Well, let us start by doing this question by writing out the before and after ratio. So before and after. Okay, so before red is to blue, and that will give me 9:8. Okay, and for after scenario, red is to blue, that will give me 9:5. Well, as I was saying about the fact that an equal number of each type of beads were given away, the difference should be the same. So now we are going to find the difference for before scenario, and we're going to find the difference for after scenario. Now children, please take note that you have to and you must write the title. Okay, reason being because for total unchanged, right, we're going to write total here. Okay, and in this case, because this is difference unchanged, we have to write difference here. This will help us to actually write whatever number that we're going to write here. Please don't get yourself confused. So please make sure and please remember to always write. Okay, this will definitely help you. So for before scenario, 9 units minus 8 units, you give me 1 unit. And for after scenario, 9 units minus 5 units, and that will give me 4 U. Well, 1 U, 4 U. They should be the same, right? Difference unchanged. However, because they are different, I have to do something about it. So in this case, very easy, just have to times 4 for this one, and I will get the same difference. See? 4U, 4U. How do I get this 4U? Okay, so now this is what is happening. Yeah, okay. So 9 times 4, and that will give me 36. 8 times 4, that will give me 32. So when I use 36 minus away 32, it will give me 4. Okay, and that's how I get 4U over here. And now 4U, I can use this new ratio to compare it with this ratio. Okay, because they have the same difference. Now they have the exact same size. Okay, if you're talking about model, they have exact same sizes of the parts that they have. Okay, so now I can do it. Remember I was telling you to take note of this 204. Now here's what you can do. Because this 204 is before, okay, Amy had a total of 204 at first, okay, so I know that it is 36U plus 32U, and that will give me 68. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put the units. Okay, so 68U. So 68U is actually equals to 204. Now 1U will give me 204 divided by 68, and that will give me 3. Okay, so 1U is 3. The question actually asks how many beads did she give away altogether. Well, this question is not so direct that I can actually use these units or these units to solve. I have to actually manipulate the kind of ratio that I have. Let me just use red. Okay, for example, if I just use red, you can actually use blue. Later I'm going to show you how to use blue. Okay, but I use red first. You can use blue to check later on. So I use red first. So red initially is 36. Then after that, after an equal number of bits were given away, the red left with 9 units. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use 36u minus away 9u, and that will give me 27u. Okay, so you know that 27u, the 27 units were actually given away. So 27u, that will be 3 times 27, and that's 81. Okay, and remember the question asks how many beads. The beads stand for red and blue, so I'm going to use 81 times 2 because an equal number of beads of each type of beads were actually given away. So answer will be 162. Okay, so that's what I'm going to write. Answer is 162. Well, for checking purposes, I am actually going to use the blue as what I was saying. I'm going to use the blue to actually check. So initially blue is 32u, then after that it ended up to be 5u. So 32u minus away 5u, and that will give me 27u. Same, okay? And 27u will be 27 times 3, okay? And that will give me 81 as well, okay? And 81 times 2, and that will give me 162. Yes, so I have already checked. Okay, and the answer is definitely correct. Thank you.